Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You need an Apple Silicon Mac and the latest Mac OS. Make sure you're signed into the Mac App Store with the same Apple ID you use on your phone. Once done, search the App Store and toggle to show iPhone and iPad apps. If the developer allows Mac distribution, Nugget will appear. If Nugget shows as available, click Get or Install. This runs natively. If not visible, prepare to use the Xcode simulator or obtain a simulator build. Next, you'll use Xcode's iOS simulator when the App Store option fails. Open Xcode and install required components, then create a simulator device that matches an iPhone model. Make sure you have a simulator compatible app you can build from source in Xcode, selecting a simulator scheme. Once the build completes, choose the simulator as the run destination and press Run. The simulator emulates iOS, so the app behaves like on a phone. This is essential when no Mac bundle exists. To finish, open the installed Nugget app on your Mac or in the simulator and grant any permissions it requests. Make sure System Settings has allowed microphone, camera, or files. If the app won't install, reboot, sign out and back into the App Store, or recreate the simulator device. These quick resets solve most entitlement or caching issues. If problems persist, inspect Xcode's console logs for code signing, missing entitlements, or architecture mismatches. That log line usually shows the exact code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.